Day 6 adds an endpoint to update an existing task. The endpoint updates the title and description, returns 404 when the task does not exist, and returns 400 bad request when the title is empty. The API already supports creating tasks, getting all tasks, and getting one task by ID. The next CRUD step is update, so Day 6 adds the update task workflow. By the end of the day, update task request should exist, iTask service should have an update method, task service should implement the update logic, and Swagger should show the new put endpoint. The work touches 4 files. Create update task request.cs, then edit iTask service, task service, and tasks controller. Update task request defines the input data for updating a task. It has title and description. It does not include ID because the ID comes from the URL. Next, update the service contract. Add an update method that accepts the ID and request. It returns nullable task response, where null means the task was not found. The service logic validates the title first, finds the existing task by ID, returns null when it is missing, then updates the title and description when the task exists. The controller exposes HTTP put with ID. It reads the ID from the URL and the new data from the request body, then returns OK, not found, or bad request based on the service result. Testing requires 3 cases. Update an existing task and expect 200 OK. Update a missing task and expect 404. Update with an empty title and expect 400 bad request. After update works, stop. Do not add delete yet, do not add SQL Server, do not add fcore, and do not redesign the architecture.